Hey guys, in this video we're going to be replacing this little side marker light right here on this 06 Ford F-150, which this right here you can do on the 04 through 08. So first thing you want to do is take the headlight housing out. Unfortunately, you have to do so on these year model trucks in order to get access to the bulbs. Once you take the headlight housing out, you simply want to take this right here, slides in, locks in. Simply want to turn it in a quarter. This part comes out right here. Then take your new 194 bulb, stick it in to that area right there. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. You want to line your holes back up. You have to turn it around, be patient with it. Let me turn it so you can see what I'm doing. See, there's holes right here. You just simply want to line these holes up. It'll fall into place. Turn, lock. And before you remount the whole headlight to the truck, let's go turn it on to make sure the headlight housings work. Alright, so the headlight housings do work. That's not what I meant. Let's go see if the bulb works. And yes, the bulb does work. So if you got any use out of this video, do us a favor, show your support, smash that thumbs up button for us. And as always, check out the other videos on this channel on how to replace the headlight, turn signal, and this whole assembly itself. And until next time, thank you for viewing.